Hello St. Edward's School students, greetings of the day. Here is your GK teacher. Today I am going to teach you exercise number 14, that is revolutions in India. So before starting the exercise, you must know what is revolution. Revolution refers to the movement that completely changes the fundamental institutions of society. Since independence, many revolutions have taken place in India that helped us move ahead in various fields. Revolution is just like Kranti. Kranti leke aaye. Now name each revolution with the help of the clue box. The first one is the dash began soon after India got independence with the introduction of high yielding varieties of seeds and the increased use of fertilizers. Soon India became self sufficient in the production of food grains. This helped in improving agriculture in India. So the answer is green revolution. खेती हमारी कैसी होती, ग्रीन कलर की. तो एग्रीकल्चर से निकल के आया ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन. नाउ नेक्स्ट, the dash was started by India's National Dairy Development Board in 1970. It created a nationwide milk grid and helped in making India the largest producer of milk and milk products. The color of milk is white, so the name of this revolution is White Revolution. Next is the dash began in 1985 and brought about a 75% increase in the production of oil seeds like groundnut, soybean, flour, sunflower, etc. that are used to produce cooking oil. Mainly oils are of yellow color, so the name of this revolution is Yellow Revolution. Next, fourth number, the dash began when India launched satellites in space. Soon India began to use technology for the benefit and betterment of the society through several missions on telecommunication. Answer is telecom revolution. The word telecom is derived from the telecommunication. So the revolution name is telecom revolution. Next is the the dash started in the 1990s. It made India one of the greatest IT hubs in the world. Today, India occupies a prominent position in the BPO, business process outsourcing sector. Answer is IT revolution. One very interesting file of fact is given here. The White Revolution was triggered by a milk shortage in India, which forced the country to import milk from other countries. Now, come to exercise number 15, that is official residences. A residence at which the head of a nation, head of government, or religious leader resides is an ऑफिशियल रेजिडेंस. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? ऑफिशियल रेजिडेंस बोलते हैं. Given below are the official residences of different countries. Write the name of each official residence with the help of the clue box. These pictures are consist various official residences. You have to name these. So the first one is New Delhi, India, and the president Rashtrapati Bhavan. The President Rashtrapati Bhavan. Next is Washington DC, USA. The name is White House. Next is Paris, France. The name of this official residence is Elysee Palace. Next is London, UK. The name of this official residence is the Queen Buckingham Palace. Next is Moscow, Russia. And the name is the Premier Grand the Premier Grand Kremlin. Next is Rome, Italy, and the name of this official residence is the President Quirinal Palace. In this exercise also one philo fact is given. You can read from here. Now come to exercise number 16, that is stamps. In this exercise the various stamps are given in the form of pictures. You have to identify the country name. Now I am reading. Stamps are issued by a country for their postal service. They are printed on special custom made paper showing the national designation. Given below are some stamps of different countries. Identify and write the name of the country they belong to. You may take help of the clue box. The first one is Philippines. The first stamp belongs to Philippines. Next is second number is USA. The third stamp belongs to Switzerland. Fourth stamp belongs to Germany. Fifth stamp belongs to Poland. Next, sixth one is Japan. Sixth stamp belongs to Japan. Seventh is for Sweden. And the last one is, the last stamp belongs to Finland. And in the end, one philo fact is given here. You can read from here. Now here we completed our exercise number 16 and unit number 2. Now the next exercise is let's review. Students, you have to complete let's review by your own and send the pics in the class group so that I can evaluate your work. Thank you.